Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so today is the 31st. I'm not planning on trading anymore for the rest of the day. Let me just show you something. So, I drew on my other charts the level 478. Anyway, so yeah, I bought the dips, risking off of this level, and when it broke, I sold the pop. I should have re-entered to short in here, I did not. So, too bad for me. And yeah, this is pretty much what I'm doing right now. Since the 19th, when I reopened my TradeZero account, I'm just looking at these key levels and buying the dip or shorting the rally, I guess you could say, risking off of this level. So that's pretty much what I'm doing these days. Yep. I tried to record this a couple of times, but I'm just ranting on whatever, so I just need to get straight to the point, and that's it. So during my first 2 weeks, I mean from the 4th to the 16th, I was trading OTCs with Questrade, the broker Questrade. I haven't found much success because I was not trading well and I was chasing strength, which I do not do anymore. And yeah, I mean, I also had very like trash execution, and I don't even have much money. Yeah, I don't even have much money, so I cannot even imagine how trash would be the execution for some people. I mean, if I had like 10x the position sizes I had with bad execution, oh, I cannot imagine the losses I would have had. Like that day I had, yeah, I don't remember exactly, but I mean, we can check it out, but yeah, I was very turned off by OTCs because of the execution. Maybe it's just my broker. I actually messaged Kyle Williams and he told me that recently a lot of brokers had some execution problems. So I was like, oh shoot. So I just started to look at Nasdaq's. I only traded EYES a couple of times, but yeah. So this is what's only OTCs with EYES on the side. And the 19, I only traded since the 19. I only traded Nasdaq's, and yeah, I had a very small average loss. So let's go over it. So from the 19, donc tout ça, je peux enlever. Oh, come on. Come on. Alright. So I was down $400 and you can see I had 50 trades. So since it's $5 in, $5 out, I was down in commission at least $500. But I had many trades where I actually left my positions with maybe a third, a half, and the rest on the other exit. So that's $20 in one trade if I leave 3 times. If I scale out with 3 exits. So yeah, minimum 500, but I mean, we can just do the math. What the fuck, am I stupid? Yeah, I lost like 600, pretty much. But I did try to only trade with 1 entry in 1 exit because it just can save me a lot of money. Anyways, if I want to see how that day went, I can just go to my trading videos and have daily recaps of pretty much every day. Some days I just don't feel like doing it because not much is happening. But if I have a big day, I do it. If I have a very bad day, I do it for the most part. And yeah. Now we're gonna go over the 3 best trade and the 3 worst trade of the month very soon. So during the 19, since the 19, I'm up $483. That's gross, but net I'm up $200. That's it. So I did pay a lot on commission as well. I really need to up my winning percentage and my average winner. This is not, yeah, it's not a big ratio. I want it to be a lot higher. All right. 2.9. So 3 will be a C. So let's just consider this as a C minus. 38% win on Nasdaq's. Oh, shit. Right. So on both Nasdaq's and OTCs, I have a pretty much 38% win rate. I have a 28% win rate on shorts. Wow. Damn. But yeah, as you can see, I did not short a lot. This is not great because look, my Momo longs and my Momo shorts are on the same page, on the same, I mean, it cannot recognize a long versus a short. I need to I mean, I don't even want to do it. I'm just going to do it on the next ones. It's a lot of work just to add an L and an S. I don't even know how I'm going to do it, but I just do it. That's it. Huh. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm lost. PNL. So my 3 biggest losers. Actually, let's go for my 5. Okay. So we got 415. So is the third one. So this is the first, the second, and the third. Yeah, I remember this one. Yep. This is because I was not getting filled. You see these big candles? Yeah, I was not getting filled, and I only got filled on this green candle right here. So this is why I lost a lot. I was trying. I mean, it's just so frustrating when you're typing the orders and stuff, and it just goes by. Even though you're chasing, I was chasing like 2 cents. Not maybe 2 cents. I don't remember exactly, but I remember I was chasing pretty aggressively and still not getting filled. And it went, yeah, pretty nicely actually. I was just buying strength, and yeah, I'm guessing it's the same thing right here. I bought and then I got filled at the bottom. So this is 416 right here. 415, 416. Yeah, right here, 416. Another $72. This is the 11. So that day up. Alright, next. 427. Oh wow. I haven't done a screenshot for that one. That's not very typical of me. I have most of them, but this one I guess I did not. Sometimes I forget to do it and I do it the morning after, but this one, nope. No history of this one. WSGF, no. 381, so the second trade on this one. Try to dip buy. I bought in here, I sold in this candle, that's it. Not much to say on this, and 497. Oh, same thing. Ah, but no, that should be live. Yeah, 497 is because it's right here. It's this trade right here. I had 400 shares, and since I had a little bit of cushion, as I said, I was up like $51. I wanted somewhat of a big trade to end the month, and I saw a lot of weakness, but I was blind to it. I guess I just wanted it to go up. I was like, okay, it's not going up right now. I just need to hold, and it's going to break out, to not break out, but to hold and ramp back up. I had an average of 80 point no of $4.80 no 80 and what? I had an average of $4.80 and 7 million de centimes. What? Yo, I don't know how to say it in English. I don't even know how to say it in French. It doesn't matter. You get the point. So that's it for this. For my biggest losers, I had a lot of big losses. Okay, let's go with 411. Max D. Okay, so about okay. Not much to say about it. I don't even remember that one. And look at how it closed pretty strong actually. It closed at its highs and still had a morning panic. I'm guessing there were news, but It's possible that there were no news. Actually was caught in a panic this month. Yeah, this is just, yeah. I'm not into getting panicked on like that. Nope. 452. Oh shit. I don't remember that one, but let me just show you what happened. So here I got shaken out, I went short, I shorted again, I covered in here, panic, cover. And then here I got chopped. I did not take any part of this move right here. I bought in this dip right here. I sold. I actually sold half in here because I thought it was kind of risky. And yeah, just took half in here to give me some wiggle room and just to be lighter in case if it would just follow me. And yeah, had a nice sell. Then I rebought the dip, and then I sold in here for 8.99 average, and I bought in for a 7.99 average. So I had exactly $1. I think $1.01 per share. Let's see it. Oh shoot, cancel. Oh, actually, yeah, $1.02. Okay, okay, 93. Yeah, this one was pretty great. I made some money, I lost a little bit, I got chopped again. But in here I bought the dip. I bought I guess, the 930 sell-off, and I sold on the green candle, so pretty great. Yeah, I like doing trades like this. Pretty fun actually. That was yesterday, yeah, that was yesterday. HOFV, so I don't know if I talked about it on this video, but I mean, as I said, I did a couple videos, but I had to repeat them because my sound was off. Anyways, just buying the dip over and over again. Here I should have re-entered. I did not. Yeah. Not much to say about this one. And APTO 465. Oh shit. So this is because I screenshotted it the day after. So let's see. It's a damage. So yeah, that one. Oh nice. Yeah, I remember that one. I actually bought dips. I sold it here. I rebought the dips. I think I added in here or in here. And then I sold before market open. I rebought the dip. I had an average of 511. I don't think I actually bought added in here. I think I actually just kept my average of 511 and sold along the way. I don't think I've re-entered. Yeah, 577. $5.57. Yeah. So yeah, I was definitely. This is my biggest winner, and I left a lot on the table. I had 300. I don't think I had 300 shares. I think I had like max was like 211. Yeah. So that's my month. I also have to say that, wait, trade number. Okay. So during these first days, I actually traded with pretty small positions. Let's look at the 20-second. I did increase my sales at the end of the day. I was up like $290, $290, and I lost a lot at the end. See 50, then 67, but my other losses were very small. So I did a great job at this. Actually, no, I was up like 280, I think. So yeah, I need to lower my size, keep my share size pretty small, and keep on focusing on my process because, as I said, it's pretty new to me. Just need to understand it as much as I can before I increase my size. I mean, now the market is not very hot. It's actually pretty choppy. I don't really mind because I'm still finding plays. Definitely not ideal because they're pretty weak. I mean, look at this. I started in May 2020 when stocks, especially on the Nasdaqs, were extremely hot. I made no money, I lost money, and now that all of this is, I mean, it's pretty slow right now, I'm starting to make money. So yeah, hopefully the market heats back up, and I had like a hotkey of 50 shares these days, and now it's, I mean, yesterday it was at 250 because I traded, I think, a $1 or $3 stock. But anyways, I'm going long and I'm going short. I don't know what I'm talking about right now, so I'm gonna just cut it. 23 minutes. Ooh.